In this video, I am going to show you how I made $1,400 online simply by listening to music. I will show you how to do this with a brand new account using your laptop or your smartphone. In just a moment, I will show you how you can listen to music tracks just like these ones right here, and how you can start making money. As you can see here, $5.57, $10, $23. If we keep scrolling down, we can see hundreds of pages, which mean this method is being used all over the world to make money while listening to music. Let me give you an example of how much you can possibly make just by simply listening to music. Listening to one song, you can make $8. Listening to 10 songs, you can make $20. Listening to 50 songs, you can make $400. Listening to 100 songs, you can make $800. There really is no limit on how much you can make on this website. And of course, this is absolutely no investment needed, and you can make unlimited income simply by listening to music. But before we get started, welcome to Richworks. In this channel, I am going to share with you different and latest make money online tips and tricks. I'd also like to announce to all of you that we are running a Bitcoin giveaway for one of our subscribers. To join the giveaway, all you have to do is you just need to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The first thing you're gonna have to do is to go to this website called Mixkit. Once again, it's mixkit.com. As you can see right here, Mixkit is a website where you can find awesome free assets that you can use in your projects. We are not going to be creating any project, however. We will be using this website to listen to music and make money from it, so make sure you have your smartphone ready or your laptop. This method is absolutely free, which means there is no investment needed. Now on Mixkit, when you open their website and scroll down, you can see all of their tracks that you can use to make money online. The good thing about this is that they are all free, and you can use them with no attribution or even signing up on their website. There are literally hundreds of thousands of songs on this website. And in this video, I am going to give you at least 3 special tips and tricks to help you make even more money with this website. Now I need you to scroll to the top here where it says genre. And you only have to hover your mouse over it, and it will show you the different music genres that are available on this website. We can make money with any of these, but since you are subscribed to this channel, I want to show you something even more special, so go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category. You are going to find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. You can also find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks on this page. Okay, so let us use this song as an example. Click the play button here to start listening to it. You don't have to listen to the entire song because there are thousands of songs we are going to do this to. Now you have to find the download button, which is just below the play button, and start downloading the song onto your computer. In order to make money with this method, I want you to download as many music tracks as you can onto your computer. In a moment, I will show you how we are going to be making money with all of these music tracks that you downloaded. For the second step, you have to go to this website upload-forever.com. This is the website that will pay you for all of the files, images, and music that you download onto your computer from Mixkit. And once there is someone who will download our music can upload-forever.com. We easily make money forever. As you can see, this is a very easy method that you can use, as I said before. All you will be doing is going to Mixkit, download music tracks from any categories, and upload the track into your Upload Forever account. On this website, you will get paid depending on which country your music track was downloaded. There are 3 different tiers of the country in the world. We have Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Tier 1 countries include the United States of America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Tier 2 countries include Argentina, Bahamas, Brunei, Croatia, Czech Republic, and Tier 3 examples are the Philippines, India, Pakistan, Cambodia, and so on. What this means is that in Tier 3 countries, you can earn at least $3. In Tier 2 you can earn at least $4, and in Tier 1 countries, you can earn up to $8. There are 5 ways to benefit from this website and make money. First, you will get paid per download. Second, you get paid per referral mix, which means third is through website banners and will also allow you to sell your files. Another exciting part of this website is they have 20 different payment options, whichever is more convenient for you. They will provide you with the most electronic bank widely used even in local and Arab countries in order to accomplish all payments needed to pay for you. They also have the most convenient e-wallet payments such as PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoney, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union Cash Plus, and several others. Let me show you an example of how you are going to make money on this website right now. But before we proceed here, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to get a chance to win our Bitcoin giveaway. After you subscribe, comment down below the word "I will win." Now let us go back to making money online. Go to upload-forever.com. Signing up is a very easy process. It only takes you 3 minutes to set up. Click the sign up button, fill out the form with your email address and password, then finally click the sign up button. Also, if you want to sign up the easy way, you can connect your Facebook, Twitter account, or your Google account. Then your account will be created automatically. After you finish signing up and already got in, go to your dashboard. Now you have your new account set up. I am going to show you step by step how to set up your account to make earnings like this easily and effortlessly. By the way, be sure to click the payment information and set up your preferred payment method after earning money from this website. Here on the left side, we are going to actually start uploading the music files that we downloaded earlier. But before you start downloading, be sure to take note of this warning here at the top. First, you are not allowed to upload any material that will violate the terms of service or your account will risk being closed. Secondly, you should ensure that you have your ad blocker turned off, as this might as well interrupt the upload process. We are going to start uploading the file now by clicking this button here, and once it is finished, you can see it here. Here is another bonus tip for you: make sure that you select public so that other people can access your music file. Another bonus tip here also is to make sure that you fill in the name of the music track and the name of the artist. Also, to do that, simply go to the Mixkit website and find the name of the song and also the name of the artist, and then you can insert them inside this box right here in order to optimize your files. Once you are done with that, then click on Start Upload. Just wait a few seconds, and depending on your internet connection, the process will be complete and it's going to save files uploaded. The next thing you are going to do is to set a price for your music file so that every time someone downloads your music file, you will be paid at least $7. Repeat the process as many times as you can. Going back to the Mixkit website, downloading the music tracks from there, and getting paid for those music tracks for a very long time provided. You set this up correctly, and that is all you have to do now. Again, if you want to learn more about tips and tricks for making money online, don't forget to subscribe below. You can also watch the next video to learn more money online techniques.